Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious Guyanese cheese rolls. Let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, let's start by preparing our pastry dough. Today I'll be using all-purpose flour, and to that I will add salt and sugar. Work that in real well. And I will be using some shortening and butter for my fats. But if you want to use butter alone or shortening alone, you can go right ahead. Now once we add them to the flour, you want to go ahead and just work it in by hand again until it resembles breadcrumbs or wet sand. Once that is done, you want to add some cold ice water and you want to press and squeeze until a dough is formed. Avoid kneading the dough. Once the dough is formed, you want to go ahead and just place it in a piece of plastic wrap and just put it in the fridge until we prepare the cheese filling. So today I'll be using sharp white cheddar, and to that I will add some butter and mayonnaise. I make this exactly how I would usually make my cheese spread to go on sandwiches. Here I will add some mustard and pepper sauce, and I will add some grated garlic. You want to mix everything well to combine, and this will be the filling that we will use to place inside of our pastry dough. Here I prepared a baking tray with some parchment paper. We will set that to the side and let's go ahead and roll our dough out. You want to flour your surface generously, and then we will place our dough and roll it out into a flat disc. You want to make sure that it's nice and thin, and then we'll begin to cut. Like I said, we'll begin to cut this into squares. So cut them as big or as small as you like. It's all about your personal preference. However big or small you want your cheese rolls, go ahead and do it that way. So I went ahead and rolled my cheese filling into balls. And I already decided I'm going to make 6 cheese rolls. So I have 6 balls and I have 6 sheets of pastry dough. So I'll go ahead and just place the balls in there and flatten them out. You want to leave the perimeter around the edges without the cheese filling. So we will put them right in the middle and flatten it out. And yeah, I like to go around the perimeter with some egg wash just to make sure they're properly sealed. And we will just fold it twice, and yeah, that's about it. We will use a fork to just make some nice indentations on the edges, and that's it guys. It's super simple and easy, and you guys will enjoy this. Trust me, it's so flavorful and delicious and flaky. Absolutely amazing. Once you're done with these, you want to just carry on with those same steps that I showed you, and then I'll show you what to do next. Next, you want to go over them with an egg wash, and what I like to do is wait until I brush the egg wash to place the venting holes last, because I feel like once you place the holes and then brush them with the egg kind of blocks up the holes, and that defeats the whole purpose. So I just place my holes in last, and then I stick this in a 355-degree oven for about 30 minutes or so. After about 35 minutes, they brown up nicely, and this is what they were looking like. Absolutely amazing. Like I said, they were so flaky. You have to be careful because they are delicate and they will break apart on you. So this is what they look like once I break one. It was so cheesy, so flaky, and so amazingly delicious. I can't wait for y'all to try this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box or in the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.